Vanguard Personal Advisor Services Robo Advisor, Honest Review, Watch Before Using. Today, we're diving into an honest review of Vanguard Personal Advisor Services, a robo-advisory platform designed to help investors manage their portfolios with minimal effort. If you're considering using this service, it's crucial to understand its features, who it's created for, and whether it might be the right fit for you. Links to the product are added in the description below for your convenience. Vanguard Personal Advisor Services offers automated portfolio management with the guidance of a human advisor. This hybrid approach combines the benefits of algorithm-driven investing with personalized advice, aiming to create a balanced portfolio tailored to your goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. The service is best suited for those who prefer a hands-off investing experience, but still want some professional input. Whether you're a beginner, just getting started with investing, or an experienced investor looking to simplify management, Vanguard Personal Advisor Services aims to provide a straightforward solution. One of the key features of this robo-advisor is its low-cost structure. Vanguard is known for its commitment to cost efficiency, and this service is no exception. You'll pay a percentage of your assets under management, which is lower compared to many other robo-advisors. Vanguard also doesn't charge trading fees or account maintenance fees, making it an attractive choice for those who want to maximize returns while minimizing costs. Another benefit of using Vanguard Personal Advisor Services is the access to human advisors. These professionals can offer advice on asset allocation, rebalancing, and estate planning, among other things. They can be particularly helpful if you're not well-versed in investment strategies or need guidance on complex financial decisions. Overall, Vanguard Personal Advisor Services is a solid choice for those looking for a balanced investment approach with the added comfort of professional guidance. It's ideal for individuals who value a hands-off investing experience, but still want some level of customization. Be sure to check out the links in the description below if you want more details about this service. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information and helps others make informed decisions about their investments. Thanks for watching.